Today's workforce expects learning that's interactive, flexible, and engaging. Articulate 360 gives your team everything needed to create world-class e-learning experiences all in one powerful platform. Build interactive learning, create responsive courses, collaborate seamlessly, deliver training faster than ever. Create immersive learning experiences with software simulations, branching scenarios, assessments, and interactive storytelling that transform learning into an experience. Build modern, responsive courses that work flawlessly across desktop, tablet, and mobile with no coding required. Accelerate production with AI-assisted content creation, real-time stakeholder feedback, and cloud-based collaboration tools. Trusted by learning professionals worldwide, create smarter, train faster, deliver exceptional learning with Articulate 360. Contact us today. Unlock local priority support, certified training, and harness the true power of Articulate 360 through New Leaf.